You're 18, or 20, or 22, and every adult in your life keeps saying the same thing. You need to build credit. But nobody actually explains how. They say get a credit card, but you can't get one because you have no credit. It's a trap, and it's frustrating. Here's the truth. Building credit from zero is actually simple. There are 3 specific methods that work, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to start with today. Welcome back to Vibe and Sense. Make your money match your vibe. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what a credit score actually is. Your credit score is a number between 300 and 850 that tells lenders how reliable you are at paying back money. Higher number equals more trustworthy. Here's how the scale breaks down. 300 to 579, poor. You'll struggle to get approved for anything. 580 to 669, fair. You might get approved with higher interest. 670 to 739, good. This is where you want to be. 740 to 850, excellent. You get the best rates on everything. If you've never borrowed money before, you don't have a score at all. You're starting from zero. And that's exactly what this video is for. You might be thinking, I don't want to borrow money anyway. Why do I need credit? I get it, but here's the reality. Apartments. Landlords run credit checks. No credit can mean higher security deposits or getting denied entirely. Cars. Unless you're paying cash, you need credit for a car loan, even a small one. Student loans. Federal loans don't require credit, but private loans do, and better credit means lower interest rates. Jobs. Some employers, especially in finance or government, check credit as part of background checks. You don't need to love credit. You just need to understand it so it doesn't hold you back. Method number 1. Get a secured credit card. Here's how it works. You give the bank a deposit, usually $200 to $500. That deposit becomes your credit limit. You use the card like a normal credit card, and after 6 to 12 months of on-time payments, the bank usually returns your deposit and upgrades you to a regular card. It's a credit card with training wheels. Best secured cards for beginners. Discover It Secured. No annual fee, cashback rewards, automatically reviews you for an upgrade after 6 months. Capital One Quicksilver Secured. No annual fee, good mobile app, easy approval. Pro tip. Use the card for one small purchase per month, like Netflix or gas, and pay it off in full every month. That's it. You're building credit. Method number 2, become an authorized user. This is the cheat code. If you have a parent, older sibling, or relative with good credit, ask them to add you as an authorized user on one of their credit cards. They don't have to give you the physical card. They can just add your name to the account. You never touch their money. But their positive payment history gets added to your credit report. It's like borrowing their good credit score for free. How to ask? Hey, I'm trying to build my credit from zero. Would you be willing to add me as an authorized user on one of your cards? You don't need to give me the card. It just helps my credit. Most people will say yes if you explain it clearly. Method number 3, credit builder loans. This sounds backwards, but stay with me. A credit builder loan doesn't give you money up front. Instead, you make small monthly payments, like $25 to $50, into a locked savings account. After 6 to 12 months of payments, you get the money back minus a small fee. The payments get reported to the credit bureaus, so you build credit while saving money. Best options? Self, the most popular credit builder loan. Starts at $25 a month. Kikoff, free option that reports payments without interest. This is a great option if you don't trust yourself with a credit card yet, or don't have someone to add you as an authorized user. Before we wrap up, here's what not to do. Don't make late payments. Payment history is 35% of your credit score. One late payment can drop your score by 50 to 100 points. Set up auto pay immediately. Don't max out your card. Credit utilization, how much you use of your limit, is 30% of your score. Keep your balance below 30% of your limit. Even better, pay it off every month.
Don't apply for too many cards at once. Each application is a hard inquiry and temporarily drops your score by a few points. Space out applications by 6 months. Don't close old accounts. The length of your credit history matters. Keep your oldest card open even if you don't use it. All right, here's your action plan for this week. Step 1, check if you already have a credit score. Use Credit Karma or Experian. Both are free. Step 2, pick one method from today: secured card, authorized user, or credit builder loan. Don't do all three at once. Start with one. Step 3, set up autopay immediately. Whatever method you choose, automate the payment so you never miss a due date. Building credit from zero takes time. There are no shortcuts. But if you start today, 6 months from now, you'll have a credit score. And a year from now, you'll be approved for things you can't get right now. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. We're building a community at Vibe and Sense where money talk is judgment-free and actually useful. Drop a comment. What's one question you still have about credit? I read every single one. Make your money match your vibe. I'll see you in the next one.